Gold and silver throughout the day traded with a modest bullish bias and achieved highs here. We have discussed this in our Asia and Europe session update that there is a possibility of a little recovery. Now, what to expect with the US session? Can we expect this rise to continue? Can we expect gold and silver to achieve the highs further? Or the bulls are exhausted and possibility of a reversal is there? What is going to be our strategy trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. It is always a great motivation. And do press the bell icon to get twice a day updates here. This is the second update for the day. Let's start first gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. And if you're not joined the channel memberships, do join the channel memberships. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the hourly charts. If you notice the hourly charts here, see the drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. The bearishness has certainly increased. Now hitting the bottom of the channel, it is trying to retrace a little. If you observe closely the 50 period moving average, giving it a little resistance. Thus, if you see it trading above 1999 levels, we can initiate a buying entry at 1999. Expect it to move towards 2003.5, 2005 zone, which is going to be the first resistance. Also, if you look at it, has come out of the consolidation zone, trying to rise here. Thus, this bullishness may continue. Stochastic overbought. MACD has seen a recovery here. Look, this is not a V-shaped recovery, but it has achieved the highs here. So slower rise, but yes, it has achieved the highest possibility for it to continue with this exist. Right now, it is not showing any signs of reversal. RSI rising as well, coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour chart. See, if you notice the movement here, you will find the rise, the retracement. I have mentioned one thing yesterday and today, that see one bullish candle and all the movement, complete movement is engulfed between this greener candle. Thus, it could continue with the rise. That is what has happened precisely, and it is still trading in this channel where the highs are somewhere at around 2004, 2005 zone, which is definitely achievable levels if it stays above 1999. The stochastic overbought. MACD is also recovering here, trading with divergence, staying bullish. RSI is coming out of the oversold and now back to comfortable levels. Now look at 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, forming the base here at 1992 levels, we have seen it rising. First bullish candle, second bullish candle. Only observation here is the bullishness getting diminished. The size of the candle is smaller, getting smaller. This suggests that the bullishness is diminished. However, remember 1, 2, there is always a possibility of a third bullish candle here. Thus 2000 levels anyways has to be there, but I will be looking forward to a further rise here towards 2004, 2005. Thus, if you are taking a buying entry at 1999, 2000 zone, you have to be a little bit cautious as the movement, what we are seeing, is bit sluggish, though the possibility of a rise is there. Stochastic coming back to overbought. MACD is divergent. MACD is trading bullish, looking upwards. RSI is also coming out of the oversold levels, trading comfortable, coming to 4 hour. Likewise on the 4 hour charts, yes, it is coming out of the consolidation zone, trying to rise, finding a stiff resistance here at 1998, 1999 zone, though I expect it to give a breakout above these levels. See, first rather, I will treat this as the first bullish candle out of breakout. There is a probability, stronger probability that there is going to be a next greener candle which can take the prices high, but you have to wait for 1999 levels to be breached in order to stay bullish. Stochastic back to overbought. MACD just crossing over here, and two greener candles means third or fourth greener candle may be there, which is going to reflect that the possibility of a rise towards 2004, 2005 is there. RSI has come out of the oversold levels, coming to daily chart. Before we look into daily charts and I give you the trading strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch commencing in a couple of weeks. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, if you want to just join the Signals channel, you can be part of my Signals channel on Telegram. For any of your queries, you can write an email on Ping Me or Telegram, and do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And if you have any consultation or guidance requirement, you can book a call with me by visiting my platform forexfunda.com. Now look at the daily chart. See, right now what we are seeing is higher highs, higher lows can be seen, which can take the prices higher. Right now it is getting a stiff resistance. Yes, it was trading outside Bollinger Bands. Today it is trying to get back into the band here. Thus, first of all, a selling entry, see, it can still reverse. It can still reverse. Do not think that it cannot reverse. Only and only if it breaks past 2004, 2005, you can say now the reversal is going to be difficult, and possibly we will look forward to little highs at around 2010 in, if not today, possibly by tomorrow. But as long as 2004, 2005 is there, we can still expect it to show swings. Though I will consider this as a reversal sign, though I'll expect it to rise more. But right now it is not showing much signs of bullishness here. Thus, you need to be trading with caution. Moving averages crossing over here, so certainly signs of bearishness. Prices are trading with little divergence from the moving average. Thus, it will wait for the moving average to come down, and then the prices will retrace. Stochastic oversold. MACD is extremely divergent and bearish. This calls for a conversion here, which means greener candles from here. RSI at bottom. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 1990 line and sell at 1991. Above 1999, we can look forward to 2003.5, 2005 zone as the first resistance. Remember, though these are greater resistances, sometimes it tries to fall short of these levels and reverses. Thus, you need to be trading with caution and with a strict stop loss. Beyond 2005 is where the bulls will be seen, where it may fly towards 2008, 2010, the stronger resistance zone for gold to break past by. Thus, take your positions accordingly. Beyond that, sky is the limit. We can look forward to 2018, 2020 as the next resistance. And on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 1991 levels, below which you can expect 1987.5, 88 as the first resistance, 84, 85 as the next. Looking at the movement, see, the movement is bit slower. Movement is getting confined into limited zone as of now. Thus, it appears that the resistance and support are going to be smaller as well. Thus, you need to be trading with caution. Below 1984 is where the bears are waiting for gold to break past by. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Now see silver on the early charts, and the earlier update today I have mentioned that see it has formed a bottom, it has reversed and it is continuing to rise here. It has seen a good high here, cup and handle, nice formation here. Moving average is crossing over here, and thus 2240 has become a good support zone. 2240, 2230 is the support. It needs to break in order to confirm the bearishness. What is happening right now? See, if you look at the early charts, it is trading in this bullish channel looking upwards. On the downside, the support here at 2250 is going to be stronger one. And as long as 2230 is not taken on the downside, we should not be treating silver as bearish. The stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is overbought here. Coming to 2-hour chart, similar observation here. Look at the formation here, nice cup and handle. But yes, breakout below 2240 and 2230 is the only confirmation of bearishness here. Thus, you should be trading with caution. If it draws below 2250, we can initiate a selling entry, but with extreme caution, because we know that this is a as long as 2230 is not taken, it is not a reversal. If you look at stochastic, this is coming to overbought levels. MACD is divergent and bullish looking upwards. RSI has also seen a little rise here. Coming to 3-hour charts, look at 3-hour charts here. Yes, a reversal sign, and since then it is trading bullish. Let's see if it breaks beyond 2270-80 zone. This is going to be, now see, if you recall in the earlier update today, I have drawn one channel here. If you notice, this is the channel in which silver is trading. Thus, it is very, very important for silver to now break beyond 2270-80 zone, and only if it trades beyond 2270 and 8, it should be treated as bullish. On the 3-hour charts, couple of bullish candles, the third bullish candle can be there, but right now it is trying to not show much strength. The stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is flat. And on the 4-hour chart, similar observation, though the possibility of a third bullish candle exists, but right now it appears it is trying to confine in the channel. On the 4-hour charts, 2280 is the high or top limit. Thus, it is important for silver to break beyond 2280 levels in order to confirm reversal. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossed over here and trading with divergence and bullishness. RSI is rising. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily chart. The formation is simple: rise, retracement, drop, or drop, retracement, drop, retracement, and this is how it has been trading. On the 4-hour charts, 2280 is 2270 and 2280 is going to be the zone where it is going to face maximum resistance. And if it stays above this, we can look forward to see if it breaks beyond 23, that is the only confirmation that silver has reversed on the daily charts and it is going to give a breakout zone. As long as it is below 23, we should not be treating this as bullish. What is happening right now? It has achieved the 20 period moving average again. It may try to aspire to achieve the 50 period moving average. If you look at the movement in the recent past, it is forming a squeeze 2190, the bottom, lower highs here, and it is trying to squeeze in between this zone, that is 22 to 23 as of now. Stochastic has dropped, MACD almost flat, RSI is rising. Considering this, in between 2240 and 60 is the support which exists for silver on the downside. Thus, a selling entry at 2250 can be taken, but I will recommend you to be careful as long as 2230 is not taken today, and only below which you can expect it to drop further, where lows can be achieved, though chances for this appears to be less, but these are markets. Thus, you can sell at 2250. On the buy side, you can buy at 2270 levels. Be careful at around 2280-85 and then 2295-23. If these two levels and these zones are breached, consider that silver is reversing and a rally is going to be seen in the near future. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for any of your queries. And yes, do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Thank you. See you again. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you.